Hey friends, this is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to another episode of Weekly Stock Picks, and this is momentum and pullback trade opportunities that we're looking forward to trade for the next week, that is starting from August 29th, 2022. So let's get into and see which are those. The first one on my list is Aditya Fashion Retail. So just a brief on the fundamentals of that. So it's a part of a 48 billion MNC company that we all know. It's Aditya Birla Group, and it's a textile and apparel business that this is primarily into. 12% of that is export, and it is the largest contributor of the employment generation was what the textile and apparel industry is about. So that's about it. So coming to the technicals, you can see that there's a cup and handle pattern that is there, and it is broken out earlier, and it is retraced back to form a handle part of the cup and handle, and now the handle, which is a parallel trendline channel on a weekly chart, has shown good breakout. So entry could be there above the top of this weekly candle high, and then you can trade your profits towards and above the 61 Fibonacci extension levels. The reason why this is picked up is, one is a candle pattern that we had seen, beautiful breakout pattern, which can be very potentially good risk reward. It can give, it's 1:2 risk reward that we're getting if we go for this trade works out. And the momentum is, the reason is that momentum is the RSI is above RSI 60, and the trend is also in the bullish zone, so on the medium term as well as the short term, right? So that's the trading opportunities. The exact entry would be 309 with a stop loss at 275, and 1:2 risk reward is what we get. Target for a profit at 380, right? Position sizing is as per your instrument that you use, whether it's cash options or futures, and then trail it accordingly, right? So that's a brief. So that's Aditya Birla Fashion one. I hope this is clear. The next one is Ntpc, National Thermopole Corporation. Small brief on that. It's 51% owned by the government of India, and it's giving a very good, healthy dividend payout. It's 36%. Can you believe it? So India is the largest producer of electricity in the world, and also the third largest consumer of the electricity. So, and this is thermal corporation. So 76% of the total electricity that is generated, energy that is generated in our country, is thermal. So there is going to be demand as the economy is gaining now. So definitely this is going to be a profit making business for sure from the fundamental perspective. Coming to the charts, why we have taken this is because it's a very long trend line weekly channel is what you see, right? It's moving up, down, and then it's now very close to the all-time high. The moment it breaches the all-time high, you would probably get a good trading swing opportunity, which you can trade at least till 61% Fibonacci extension, and the stop loss can be below the entry candle or the alert candle. The reason again is that the momentum is above RSI 60, and the trend is also good on the medium term as well as the short term. So that's it. The details of is a breakout again, just like the previous stock that we discussed. It's 167 entry, and the stop loss of 155 will use 1:2 risk reward, and you can trail further from there if you want. But yeah, and the profit can be targeted at 191 at least, which is coming to near to the 61 Fib extension levels. This is thermal is part of the energy sector. Energy sector also is medium term bullish, right? As usual, the instrument is up to you, whether it is cash, futures or options, and the position size has to be as per your 1% capital size. Trail your stop losses, and put your stop losses tight, and then get out, because the swing trades are not most positional long terms. The positional swing trades, you can say, right? That's National Thermal Power Corporation, my second pick. And the charts we already seen, right? Very beautiful trend line channel. We already discussed about that. And the last one is Grasim. Grasim is actually a flagship company of the Birla Group, and it is not just into cement, as we already heard of. 54% of that business is about cement, and 22% is financial services, and they're all doing other chemicals, textiles, and also a little bit. But primarily these two are the businesses, and both of these sector-wise, if you see, are doing good, right? That's a brief on Grasim's fundamental. Now just brief background, right? Coming to the charts, you can see that the Grasim had made an all-time high way back in 2021 beginning, and then it did a very good retracement of the market, and it was trending in a trend line channel, right? Very beautifully, and now it has given a clear breakout. An entry above the alert candle, and And extension or a swing opportunity may exist till the all-time high level at least, and above that you can trade. The reason is they just touch the RSI 60 on the weekly. Short term also is bullish, and ADX trend indicators in the DMI positive zones. Right, so the levels, if it's again a breakout opportunity above the entry candle, it's giving minus 1.5 risk reward, 1545 entry, and no 1688 entry above the alert candle, and 1455 stop loss, and 1920 target, which is near the Fibonacci 60 retracement level. So it's a combination of multiple business, primarily in the cement and the financial, and that sector is also doing good, right? So as usual, again, instrument can be as per your portion size. So when you are using options, you should look at the open interest and the support resistance levels before also, and match it with this. But what the price pattern is showing, right? And also portion size has to be 1% of your capital. As you should take the quantity. But when you're playing in futures and options, portion size may not exactly match your capital size. You have to adjust that accordingly. So that's a brief on Grasim. The last look at the charts, right? A very beautiful breakout of the trendline channel. The channel is touching on. It's the weekly charts that you're seeing. So that's the 3 picks. I hope it's all are along. Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited from the textile sector, textile and apparel, Ntpc from the energy sector, and Grasim from the cement sector. So 3 picks. I hope this helps you to analyze the stocks, other stocks as well, if the way that it's analyzed. Primarily, this momentum breakout and pullbacks that we're looking for in this weekly stock picks, right? Right with the strength, get out of the stop losses as soon as it hits there. Right? Don't hang on to that, and you may end up in trouble. Right? Take the losses as happy losses, and you always have the next trade to take where you may recover if it was there is a small loss that happened. Right? That's your strategy. And thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share it to maximum. Like, put in your comments and all that. We have very few questions. Appreciate your happiness. Thanks. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye.